RENPHO Eyeris2 Eye Massager was given to me in exchange for an honest review. Let's see what is in the box. Alright, first thing, the box open up, and then we have the manuals, and then we have this bag to save out the eye massager, and then we have the cable to charge it. When fully charged, it works for up to 4 hours. That way you don't have to worry about charging every single day. Okay, so it's charged now, so let's try. First time using this one, and I will tell you my first impression of this one. At the very beginning, it has a really nice portable sleek design. So you can see here, it folds 180 degrees and it closes like that. So it's pretty portable or manageable, I would say. So also have this strap that you can adjust it depending if you need it more loose or tight. So let me see. I think it's a good adjustment for me as it's come. All right. So I don't think that it will fall from there. So the good thing is that when you press a button, it tells you what it is. So these are the buttons that I was mentioning. You turn it on here, and this one is for the heat, low or high, and this one is for the pressure, the massager. It has 2 intensity and vibration mode as well. And then we have this little sound here that you can even connect it to your Bluetooth phone, to your phone, to Bluetooth. And even if you don't want to be dealing with your phone, you just want to grab this, you can play music on it. I'm gonna give you my experience right now, and I will be pressing some of this button. I will let you know what I feel and how I feel and everything about it. It's like a love in your eyes, like this. The good thing is going around the eyes, and even go here, in this side over there. Hold on. Oh. Even go over here, like this. This side, over there, you can see you can feel really warm. So it's going good at this moment. So I'm putting here my massager. Turn it on, 3 seconds. RENPHO Eye Massager. So it's telling me pressure plus heat. So immediately started. So the pressure and the heat is low at this moment, but I can feel it. I think it's a comfortable. Level for me. I truly feel like it's going around, and even like in the side here, really soft and warm, calming. It's really relaxing. The pressure is not that much. I'm gonna be adding here. So it removes the temperature if you don't want temperature anymore. High heat. Strong pressure as well. So now I'm in the high intensity level. And at the end, all this pressure will be more noticeable if you have it tighter. Able to to pressure you because it cannot lose. So if you want to feel that pressure, it has to be a little bit tighter. But it's pretty comfortable because the pad is pretty comfortable, and the strap is as well pretty comfortable. I'm gonna turn on the music right now. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's a really relaxing and calming music. Even at the high intensity, I don't think it's too much. I could start like that, high intensity, but then I will go low to stay for a longer time to feel more calming. No pressure. All pressure. No temperature. Even if you want, you can remove all the pressure and just stay with the heat. Well, what I can say, they surprised me with this one. And when you use the computer for so long, I think this is a really nice de-stress at the end of the day with your eyes. I would truly recommend this video to my friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.